Hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to pull anything from GitHub. So let's say that you were using Visual Studio Code and you got stuck with that code that you don't know how to execute it or how to do it. Basically, that's when GitHub actually came to help. So basically all you need to do is go to GitHub. So GitHub like that, and let's close this real quick. And basically what you can do is search in this GitHub. So for example, you can go here and then you can search, for example, Python code for a game, for example, and you'll find multiple games that you can actually get them. And basically you can actually download the source code from here, download zip, and you can actually use this zip after you download it and use it in your Visual Studio Code. Well, how you can use this zip in your Visual Studio Code? All you need is to download the zip and then make sure that you have Visual Studio Code. So it's pretty simple. All you need to do guys is go to your browser and search for Visual Studio Code. Here we go, click on download for Windows, and from here you have to choose, for example, if you don't have Windows, you have other system, you can click on Mac or Linux, you can download from here. Now, after we've done with that, all you need to do is actually pretty easy. You just have to download it and install it on your PC and then go here. And now you have to go into File, open folder, and basically all you need to do is you remember the folder that we have installed from GitHub, which is this folder which has these things. All you need to do is actually go to your here, open folder, and then just choose the folder that you have installed on your PC, and by clicking on this button over here you will be able to execute this program and do whatever you'd like with it. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.